Welcome to your perfect ALE solution in Fate, Texas. This fully furnished, new construction home is specially designed for families and individuals navigating insurance claims and seeking temporary, hassle-free living. With 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 modern bathrooms, and an open, flexible floor plan, this home easily accommodates families, pets, and the needs of adjusters or displaced residents. Enjoy all utilities covered, streaming TV, Wi-Fi, and hotel-style amenities, plus free on-site parking and a wheelchair-accessible layout. Flexible lease terms start at just 3 months, making it an ideal choice for short or extended stays during home repairs or an insurance claim. Move in today and experience a blend of comfort and peace of mind in a welcoming community with 24/7 support ready for you every step of the way.